Hello, YouTube and X. It's your main man, BTM here, bringing you back to the BTM Crypto News Network. Happy Hump Day. It's Wednesday, and I guess people are getting ready for the holiday. So let me know what you guys think. You guys got any plans for what is it, Labor Day? Yeah, Labor Day coming up. Just checking in, see how things are going. What up, Silver Days? BTM Crypto News Network, let's go. What up, Tony T? What's going on, fam? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit your main man up with a super chat. We're trying to keep the lights on BTM Crypto News Network. Making sure we got this, yeah, make sure the sound's on. I didn't hear it at first, but we are live. So one of the things is Kotapay is going live. Actually, Kotapay and Payroll, I think, is going live tomorrow on the what is it? PayBridge. I'm tripping. Kotapay and PayBridge has a live tomorrow. So let me know what is going on. What up, Rico? What up, Rico Clean? What up, Duran? Yeah, I was thinking that. I've been thinking that actually for the past couple days because I'm like, bro, with AMA yesterday, there should be some kind of price action, right? I don't understand why Zebec isn't pumping or baby pumping or doing something. It's going down, which is weird, right? So, Darren, we'll look at that in a minute. Let me get my sponsorship partnership out real quick. I am in the process of negotiating something with 2Bit. 2Bit just recently listed um, Zebec, and I'm talking to these guys about some kind of partnership, sponsorship, collaboration thing going down. So we'll get that up as soon as they send me the information and the link and figure out how we're going to do it. But 2Bit is now sponsor listing. Let me see if I can pull it up. 2Bit is now listed Zebec, ZBCN, and this is the 2Bit site. I want to see if it can show us Zebec. You know, sometimes it'll show you buy without signing up or signing in. I want to buy. How do we see? Let me see where we're going. Let's see if it's on here. ZBCN. Okay, it's not. That's weird. Let's see if we can receive it. ZBCN. Okay, so that's definitely not what we were looking for. So I don't know. I'm gonna have to check into that to see what's going on. But we'll go back to Caleb and Brown. And shout out to Caleb and Brown. You can get 24-hour, 7-day talk to someone, and you get a one-on-one broker. And the best thing about Caleb is Brown is during the sale process, they're not going to hit you with these crazy absorbent fees. Pretty much sale for what you bought it. A lot of these exchanges, there is a fee on top of the price you paid for it. So you don't actually get everything you put into it. What up, Yazin? What's going on? Tony T. Silver Days. Yes, we are live. Tony T, what's going on? Let's go, BTM. Zebec to the moon. Silver Days. Tony T, what's going on, fam? So we'll close this out and look at X. I'm gonna pause real quick because sometimes I close it. I don't want to close out X. So there is X before we get to that. Well, that's what I don't have. I don't have the crypto bubbles on. Thoughts and prayers for the families of the kids that had this horrible event happen to them. That's crazy. But let me see. What is this? The bubbles. So this is the bubbles coming up. Give me a second or two. Bum bum bum. I don't know what's going on with Chronos, which is pumping leaps and bounds. This thing's been pumping all week. I think there's a partnership with these guys and um, World Financial. I think that's the Trump company. See, they're up 3.9 on the hour, 26.6 on the day, 83.4 on the week. And it's only at 28 cents. Swarms up 3.5. Strongholds back in the green at 2.6. Radian's up 6.5. Jupiter is up 5.3. Sorry. Solana's up 5.1. I knew I should have got that Solana when it was under 200 bucks. With is up 2.3%. Dodge is up 1.6. Near's up 1.5. White is up 1.3. Uh, Estrada's up 4.2. Osmosis is up 1.2. Bitcoin's up 0.7. Snake is up 1.1. Ordinai is up 1.1. Jupiter's up 5. Radian's up 6. Hint is up. Helium is up 1.2. Let me see. AVAX is up 2.6. Sui is up 0.6. Ethereum Classic is up 0.7. Filecoin's up 0.7. Ton is up 0.9. Render's 1.6. So Arrow is down 4.7. Mr. Miggles is down 7.6. Spells down 3.1. Prime is down 6.5. Beers up 1.8. XCM is down 2.4. Cubic is down 4.3. Putty Penguin is down 2.1. DAG is down 5.8. Flare is down 1.4. Mudan's down 1.8. Quant is down 2.3. Metal is down 1.9. And just down 0.8. Arbitron down 0.8. And of course, the crypto we know and love, our favorite payroll processor is down 0.9. So we're down to the 0043. And from an AMA yesterday and an AMA coming tomorrow, I can't figure out why it would still be down. There has to be some kind of interest. There has to be somebody looking at this other than us and somebody buying. I don't understand how the price is down. We're at 81,729, down added 15 in the last 4 hours, 14 in the last 12 hours, 9 in the last day, 75 in the last 3 days, 474 in the last week, 1,254 in the last 2 weeks. And for the month, we are up 4,739. So we were up in the 5,000 range. So I don't know what's going on, but something's happening. Even, why is that on the bubbles? Do I not have that on the bubble? Um, this world mobile token. Yeah, this did add this to the bubbles actually. World Mobile Token, WMTX is actually up 3% today. That's Weird. They were in the AMA and they were up, and we were actually sponsoring these guys in the AMA, and there is no price change, which is odd. Trying to figure out what happened to them. I know I just added them. That's Luna. Oh yeah, it's like pink or something. Did I just add these guys? Let me see. WM. Wait, yeah. Just wanted to add these guys. Oh, I didn't add them. Okay. So I'm gonna add them to the favorites and keep an eye on these guys as well. Okay, here it is. World Mobile Token is actually up 3%. What up, crypto fam? Let's DCA and get that money. Thank you, Reds. Hail to the Redskins. Just got listed on CoinGecko today. And what got listed on CoinGecko today? Talking about Zebec or this W? Is it CoinGecko? It's weird. I guess you mean W World Token. And I'm glad I picked some of that up yesterday while it was on the way up. Uh, PX. It's not CoinGecko. This is Live Coin Watch. Oh, wow. They actually got market cap and everything. That's weird. 30.4 million, and they're already at 17 cents. Okay. And you see here, Zebec doesn't even have market cap. I don't understand. How does World Mobile Token already get a market cap and Zebec doesn't have market cap yet? So I don't know. Let me see here. Just looking at a few things in my account. What was that? There was some. Yeah, yeah. Wait. Back to the bubbles. Oh yes, CRO. Let me see here. CRO. That's weird. CRO is not on Uphold. I guess we're putting more in world market cap there. Okay. So enough of that. Sorry, pitching woo on the job. Let me get back to business. Um, okay. So let's look at the numbers real quick before we go to X. So currently, ZBEC is up 0.27% in the hour, down 3.7 in the day, 6.8 on the week, up 1.1 on the month, down 30.6 on the last 90 days, and still up 307.2% on the year. We looked at the holder numbers, 81,729. This is 81,733. Solo scans always a little bit up front of that holder. So looking at the charts on the 5 minute, looks like we're flat at the 004. RSI is, how did my RSI change? RSI is 49.9. Based moving average, the RSI based moving average is 42.2. And looks like we're building volume. Why is this so? Looks like we're building volume on the Mac on the 5 minute. On the 15-minute chart, looks like we're losing volume. On the 45-minute chart, looks like we're building volume there as well. Zoom in a little bit, make it make sense. RSI based moving, RSI is 47. RSI based MA is 46.1. Look at the hour chart. Looks like we're holding at the 0044. Go to the 2-hour chart. Looks like it came up Sunday and we're coming down since Sunday, but it's coming down for us to pick it up. I think this weekend we might see a push, especially after the second AMA tomorrow with Kotapay and RSI on the 2-hour chart is down to 36.3 and RSI based moving average is 37.04. So we're getting in the overbought territory, but we're still building volume on the 2-hour chart, and we'll check the 4-hour real quick. On the 4-hour, we're losing volume. It appears had a MACD crossed and came down. RSI is down to 38.75. RSI base moving average is 41.1. And on the 4-hour, there's a green candle, but looks like it came down and it's holding at the 004427, which is weird. From the AMA, I thought we would go up some. So currently the 0044 down 3.61 on the day. Market cap is 402.6 down 3.6 on the day. 24-hour trading volume is 14.9 down 14.9%. That's weird. Trading volume is tied directly to the percentage. And you can see mostly red here. So let's go to X. So this is the BTM Crypto News Network Twitter page. You get a chance to join and stay current on events. This is the wave is coming. And then I looked at this. I thought this was like a beach or something. But if you look closely, this is a desert. So this is the wave pushing through the desert, which is actually pretty cool. And this is Kotapay. What is this? Kotapay and Spaces. So Kotapay and PayBridges, Zebec Spaces payroll of the future tomorrow. And you can click the link here, whatever comes up. And this is join. So go ahead and join tomorrow. Set the reminder for 9 a.m. You guys are going earlier and earlier. So we might go live early tomorrow. I don't know. So this is Zebec Update. Saw someone ask Noah James for update and realized there hasn't been one in days. More importantly, that he's not feeling well right now. So before anything, let's show him some love and wish him a speedy recovery. Energy and words. As far as eBay goes, there's not much to say. We're caught in a broader market trend, and everything has been said recently still stands. Can't break above the yellow line. See if we can make this bigger. Is this the first one? Okay, this is the first one. Can't break above the yellow line. We fell back under the first orange one, so we're likely to come to the second orange line and work our way up. This is still healthy. So this is the 0044. This is the 0045. So we got to come back up to the 0045. Looks like we hit the 0043 and starting to push back up to the 004. And he's right. We're having problems breaking past the 0055 or at least hold the 005. The broader point of view, we're putting in the legwork Now, not just a base to take off from, but our support once the bull cycle's over. The more legwork we put in now, the stronger support we have later, preventing the project from going even lower. Patience is still nothing has changed. Again, if you love his work, let's show him some love. Show him everyone's watching. This community is strong and bigger than just crypto. It's bigger than hip hop. This is another couple of pictures about still trying to break that 005. Actually, a lot of pictures here. Interesting. So shout out to Jay King for picking up some of the legwork. Where's my man Noah with his ZBCN chart? And I like that sailboat. Um, I am now officially part of the Zebec headquarters community. This is Clover Node, directly from the CEO and founder of World Mobile Team WMTX. There are companies out there like Zebec that actually survive a bear market. In fact, they will thrive in the bear market. Yep, Silver Days. Zebec can't stop, won't stop. This is if you're a ZBCN holder, like this post, just trying to see something. So this is my main man Midas Gold. It would be a shame after holding for so long through highs and lows to give up when the generational wealth is within reach. There wasn't just institutionals who saw it. Retail visionaries came early too. ZBCN belongs to the people, for the people, by the people. Binance, Coinbase, Bear, Republic, Solana Ventures, Circle, and Shimmet Ventures. I don't know about that last one, but the other one's just solid gold, man. So we will see how things pick up. ZBCN has been one of the best altcoins in 2025, from an 8x rally in Q2 to partnerships with deflammatory tokenomics. Zebec has combined strong fundamentals with bullish charts. Here's what's next for Zebec. There's nothing there, actually. So, what is this Sparky AZ? If you don't make a lot of money when at 8x months ago, you're living on hopium if you didn't make. Yeah, but hopefully the run is not over, Sparky. Greetings, the big family. What up, Al? What's going on, fam? William, Zebec wedge pattern. Remember what's happened the last time. Same setup now. Hidden bullish divergence on MFI and momentum indicators plus RSI and MACD. Uh, Perfect bottoming setup for bulls to show strength, secure a higher low, and reclaim the 282 fib level at 0054, 0045, actually. Trying to get back to Ergo Crypto CEO just bought so much ZBCN. He is now officially financially unstable. Buy the dip, be unstable with me 66. Okay, so I was trying to get to could ZBCN become one of the most used cryptos in the world? When you look at Zebec is building and streaming payments, the case is stronger than you think. Here's why and what it's up against. Why ZBCN could be on the most used cryptos. Could be one of the most, could be on one of the most used cryptos. Pros. Already live adoption, 44 million monthly payroll, first mover in streaming payments, broader ecosystem, payroll, cards, treasury, and DPN, backed by Circle, tripping, Circle, Coinbase, Solana Ventures, and Lightspeed. Risk, regulation, crypto payroll, still gray zone globally. Market cycles, bear market hits adoption. Uh, Competition, others will chase stream rails. Money moves like data. So shout out to Midas Gold for putting that together for us. Let's check out this live stream real quick. With PayBridge and Zebec become the first crypto platform to acquire U.S. payroll firms. Today's we're one of the largest payroll providers in the U.S. charter schools. As stablecoin adoption grows, we'll expand access to stablecoin payments across the educational sector.
Teachers, and teachers are then explaining these concepts to the next. PayBridge has been the perfect fit for the Zebec ecosystem. We took a risk on it. We're the first time a crypto company has bought a real world payroll company in the US. It's kind of been the first of many acquisitions. It's proven our product market fit. It's proven our thesis. And from there, we've gone on to acquire 2 additional businesses. We are now one of the largest payroll providers of charter schools in the US, which is such a great vertical because we're paying teachers, and teachers are then explaining these concepts to the next generation, to their students. So it's building the cycle, it's strengthening the ecosystem, and there's a lot more to come from here. PayBridge has been the perfect fit for the Zebec ecosystem. We took
A shout out to the CEO and the acquisition. I was in at 000, was it 375 and had 9 million tokens. I sold 7 at the 07. I believe this token is dead. It's my opinion. I love the technology. Just think they are 5 years out. Thanks for that information there, Sparky. Keeping it moving. Expanding the features across border payments with Finsta, FX, and USDC. Collaboration will enable USDC settlements for Finsta, establishing a network of financial institutions that currently possess over 5 trillion in daily cross-border transactions. And let me see here. So what is your boat ranking? This is the Nano Sailor, 50,000. That's actually a pretty cool looking boat, actually. Block Skipper, 500,000. Chain Cruiser, 5 million. Lexter, Explorer, 12 million. D5 Diver, 25 million. Token Admiral, 35 million. And Leviathan, 50 million. Spark, though, what if you sold too early, bro? What if it goes back to 1 cent at 9 million? You stand to gain a pretty good profit there, or you would have. But either way, it's not financial advice. This is just for entertainment purposes. So this is Kotapay. All the wait, that's weird. Why did it stop running? You should expect from a payment solution processor. So this is what is Kotapay? Kotapay is a legacy electronic payments processor operating since 1993. And that's a while ago. Like the kids say, you're born in the 1900s. You old. Like, wow. But that is more than 20, 30 years ago. So I guess you are old if you got 1900. Somebody was saying, I don't even check the birthdays, right? When you look at the birthdays, if it doesn't start with a 20, you're good to go. So dang, I feel even older. So this is Kotapay, a legacy payment processor operating since 1993. handles ACH direct deposits, payroll, credit card payments across all 50 states. Division of First International Bank and Trust provides banking as a service, BAS 2.0, with traditional banking backbone. In Zebec ecosystem, it adds compliance, reliability to payroll HR integration. It gives Zebec instant credibility with onboarding enterprises. So, um, why these partnerships matter? So, Zebec isn't just building DeFi tools, it's integrating with real payroll and banking infrastructures. Partnerships with Kotapay and PayBridge shows Zebec's plans to merge Web 2 finance systems with Web 3 programmable money. And I was Kotapay. So who is PayBridge? So I tried to find, let me see, this is frequently asked questions about Kotapay. But I tried to, let me see if we can find the PayBridge site real quick. So this is the PayBridge. First out of Strongville, Ohio. So this is welcome to PayBridge. We are the leader provider of payroll and HCM solutions designed to simplify the most complex HR challenges. PayBridge, a payroll and HCM human capital management solutions provider, possesses 330 million annually in payroll, acquired by Zebec Payroll Group Partner, TGB Fund. In the Zebex ecosystem, bridges traditional payroll tech with Web3 real-time streaming payroll, expands Zebex enterprise reach into companies already using PayBridge. Let me see, I was trying to see something. So let me see where to go first. Why partnerships are game changing. Kotapay, Web 2 stability ensures Zebec Web3 payroll innovations connect safely with banks and ACH systems. PayBridge Web3 access gives Zebec a direct pipeline into payroll clients' infrastructure. Together, they can help Zebec roll out real-time salary streamings to employees, enables instant crypto to fiat conversion for everyday use, drives adoption of Zebec cards, eSIM payments, and the Zebec Net. Zebec isn't just a theory, it's building real payroll plus payment companies. Kotapay and PayBridge make Zebec a serious player in the merging traditional finance, TradFi, and DeFi. This sets the stage for Zebec Net, credit cards, and mobile finance rollouts in 2025. So let me scroll back up, and I'll put this on the screen so you guys can see as well. Make sure I start at the right spot though. Let's see, what is this? Um, okay, that's weird. I had something, but I can't find it now. I guess we'll start here. This guy. Where is it? Oh man, I got two of these open. Dang it. Actually, close this guy out. and bring this over. So this is what's going on the stream. Maybe 5 years out from, wait, 5 years out from 3 or more years ago. I could see that, but I'm not tripping on when. Send it, ZBCN. Need a John Wick meme here. BCN, y'all. Okay, it's weird. Walk with pride. Interesting. Okay. What is Kotapay and how does it partner with a Zebec network? Kotapay is a well-established electronic payments processor operating since 1993. They process billions in transactions, offering service like ACH payroll, direct deposit, credit card processing, and billing solutions across all 50 states. As a division of First International Bank and Trust, Kotapay provides robust banking as a service ABS 2.0, allowing partners to integrate banking services with security of long-standing charter banks. Within the Zebec ecosystem, Kotapay is listed as a key member of the payroll and HR partner network, working alongside with names like Azure, Aspire HR, and PayBridge. What is PayBridge and how does it connect to the Zebec network? PayBridge is a payroll and human capital management solutions provider that was acquired by Zebec investment arm, Payroll Growth Partners, PGP. Here's what that entails. PayBridge brings in traditional payroll expertise, processing 300 million in payroll annually. This integrates into Zebec's ecosystem, supports Zebec's mission of blending um, Web 2 payroll with Web 3 finance, such as those wage link on demand payroll offerings. Kotapay, a legacy electronic payment processor, ACH payroll card services, and BAAS provider integrated into Zebec's payroll and HR partnered ecosystem. Traditional payroll, ACH or ACM provider acquired by Zebec and PGP helps bridging traditional payroll systems with Zebec's real-time blockchain-powered infrastructure. So that's what I'm saying, guys. These guys are pulling in a lot of companies and providers that can help the company grow and expand into a lot of things that they were not doing previously. So as they expand, they can get into traditional markets. So let me know what you guys think about that as well. So this is why this matters to your use team live stream. Kotapay's partnership lends credibility, institutional stability, highlighting Zebec's ability to merge Web3 banking infrastructure with DeFi. PayBridge acquisition deepens Zebec's reach into the actual payroll systems, workflows, and enabling real-time crypto salary streaming via familiar HR framework. Together, these partnerships illustrate Zebec's strategy to streamlessly integrate decentralized finance into everyday financial operations, not just conceptually, but structurally. So let's go back to frequently asked questions about Kotapay's processing. Kotapay is a third-party processing agent that processes funds electronically via automated clearinghouse ACH. Accounting CS integrates with Kotapay specifically to process direct deposits payments for your clients using our application. Go to Kotapay Thomson Reuters for a detailed list of Kotapay services available from firms using accounting CS. You can connect Kotapay directly with questions. So that's pretty interesting as well. The Zebec Network soars on the Zebec Net eSIM launch as charts signals an 85% breakout. And this is from yesterday. The Zebec Network has expanded its ecosystem with the launch of the Zebec Net eSIM upgrade. This development allows users to connect across more than 70 countries and integrate with over 15 blockchains through one system. Regulatory compliance efforts, Zebec Networks, Stardust, Stockalicious, momentum indicators analysis, Zebec's relevant relative strength index analysis. Zebec forms a bullish flag on 4-hour chart. The upgrade aims to make decentralized finance more practical everyday life by improving real-time payroll and cross-border payment accessibility. The eSIM rollout highlights Zebec's focus on linking blockchains and real financial user cases. By providing seamless global connectivity, the network seems to improve user experience while making DeFi applications accessible in regions where traditional banking services are limited. This initiative also aligns with Zebec's broader plan to build financial infrastructure that blends digital with physical systems. So back to our thing, our banking, right? Zebec could be the banking provider of the future, as Zebec is able to link and create payments in places that don't generally get payroll. Regulatory compliance efforts gain momentum. Zebec Network has moved towards stronger compliance standards to improve institutionalized trust, and the project began the SOC 2 audit, a framework that evaluates how companies manage customer data, has started working towards compliant with the EU, the MECI regulatory framework. By prioritizing compliance, Zebec aims to position itself as a reliable partner for enterprise and financial institutions. These efforts are designed to provide assurance to potential partners that the network is building secure and regulated systems. This step is becoming increasingly critical as regulators worldwide tighten their overall digital assets. And just from this news, there should be some price movement. I don't understand what is keeping the price down. Let's go back to X real quick and see what's going on. This is who wants the Zebec Net ZBCN worldwide. And this is Zebec Net. I guess that's the app for the phone. This is GTA 6 publishers believe games should be priced by the hour. And it really gives a lot, but this is shot out to Crypto Chrome.
Behind.
Just running back real quick. Hold on. Uh,
Imagine if your phone
and
signal didn't just
Zebec World Mobile is teaming up to launch the Zebec Net August 2025, Zebec debit cards. September 25, World Mobile Card. October, Zebec Net beta across 100 companies. More money that moves like a text is coming. Let's watch this quick video.
Imagine if your phone signal didn't just connect you to the internet. Imagine if it carried your paycheck. That's the vision behind Zebec Net, a decentralized network born from the partnership of Zebec and World Mobile. It runs on World Mobile's decentralized mobile network, designed to break the monopoly of big wireless. Think of big wireless like calling an old taxi, expensive, unreliable, and controlled by just a few. World Mobile changes that. It's like Uber for telecoms, decentralized, fair, and powered by the many. And now, World Mobile is teaming up with Zebec, the crypto network that makes money move like a text. If the old financial system was like snail mail, slow, filled with delays, weighed down by middlemen, Zebec is instant messaging for money, fast, borderless, direct. Together, they've created Zebec Net, where global connectivity and programmable finance live side by side. The rollout begins quickly. In August 2025, Zebec expands its silver and carbon debit cards with full WMTX integration, so MasterCard, Apple Pay, and Google Pay all work seamlessly with the World Mobile token. In September, World Mobile introduces its own debit card, reloadable with WMTX and usable worldwide. Then, in October, ZebecNet goes live in beta across more than 100 countries, powered by World Mobile eSIMs. But this is more than just new products. It's a blueprint for taking back control. We're deciding how we connect and how we transact. A future where your salary follows you, like a signal in the sky, wherever you go. And once the world realizes their phone signal can carry both their voice and their paycheck, the old networks may never look the same. As this shift begins, the question is simple. Are we ready to step into a future where money moves as freely as a message? Want more crypto videos? Check out my playlist. This post is brought to you by the Crypto Chrome. Like, follow, share, and repost this video if you believe that crypto is the future, and the future is now.
So shout out to Crypto Chrome for that video update. It's actually pretty decent. This is just a quickie. Actually, I thought that was a video, but it is just some information from Colex. So shout out to Colex as well. Top of the morning, Pirates started an amazing collaboration with Color of a new powerhouse partnership with World Mobile Team as I was out here sailing last night. Loading the boat, I came across the World Mobile Team sailing stronger than ever with us. Shout out to the World Mobile Team and that boat. I like that boat, actually. The boat looks brand freaking new. Or maybe they painted it that color. I don't know. Keeping it moving. Pirates, stay sharp, stay alert, do not fall for the oldest trick in the book. Hold fast, enjoy the opportunity to load the boat. They know, they all know tomorrow's space is going to be explosive, is going to drop bombs on us left and right to catapult us where we should be holding gold. So this is the pirate, the fake Johnny Depp, Pirates of the Caribbean. This is the announcement for the AMA tomorrow, and this is Zebec at Sabos and Frankfurt. And this is more updates about the SOC 2 and compliance that the Zebec is working on. Growing, gone. Zebec has been one of the best altcoins in 2025. An 8x rally in QT to new partnerships in deflammatory tokenomics. What is next? I think this is from yesterday. Big news from Zebec introducing the Zebec Net, their revolutionary mobile network powered by World Pay. Let's see what this is
We
talking
really
about.
had no choice but to we really had no choice but to launch our own mobile network. And that is ZebecNet, of course, in partnership and powered by World Mobile. Now, unlike traditional mobile networks, ZebecNet is purpose-built for financial connectivity and works alongside your existing mobile carrier, ensuring uninterrupted access to all your Zebec wallets, your payment cards, your payroll streams, regardless of where you are in the world. Now, ZebecNet is coming to market sometime in fall 2025. We are actively working on development right now with Roll Mobile, and it's going to be fully integrated with the Zebec Super app as well as all of our streaming tools. Now, do you know who's even more excited for ZebecNet than us here at Zebec? It's our over 200 enterprise clients who can now pay remote workers in over 70 countries without having to connect to local banking infrastructure. This is huge. We really had no choice but to launch our own mobile network. And
And
that is ZebecNet.
that's what I was saying in general, guys. This is going to be big as payments are able to be streamed, right? This is going to revolutionize crypto and the payroll industry as a whole. So let me know what you guys think and if you're ready for the AMA tomorrow. So let's see, close out the Kotapay, PayBridges, frequently asked questions. And I want to go back to see what's going on with the price for the AI on CoinMarketCap. So CoinMarketCap saying Zebec failed 2.6% in the past 24 hours, underperforming the broader crypto market at 1.3%. Key drivers include technical resistance, profit taking after recent gains, and muted sentiment despite bullish infrastructure developments. And that's what I'm saying, bro. With the announcements, it should be some kind of taking off, right? I know profit taking didn't take if the profit wasn't up, right? Why would you take profits and the price isn't up yet? Technical pullback, testing the Fibonacci support after failing to hold the bullish retest levels. Profit taking, traders capitalize on the ZBCN's 22% 60-day rally amidst low volume. Regulatory focus over short-term catalysts, compliant milestones, SOX 2 audit, MiCA alignment, prioritize over near-term price drivers. Technical resistance, support retest bearish short term. ZBCN is retesting the critical 618 Fibonacci level at the 0045 after failing to sustain a bullish retest above its value high area. The 7-day SMA, the 00476, and 30-day SMA, the 00495, now act as resistance while the MACD histogram 4042 signs weakened momentum. What this means, the price rejection at higher levels reflects traders' caution. A close above the 0045 could trigger further downside towards the 200-day EMA at the 00275. Conversely, holding the zone with rising volume might stabilize the trend. What to watch: a daily close relative to the 0045 and RSI 1447.9 crossing above the 50 gauge momentum shifts. Profit taking after extending rally mixed impact. Overview. ZBCN surged 22% over 60 days before a pullback. So it was up the last 2 months. Then it pulled back. The 24-hour trading volume dipped 17% to 14.9 million. The 7-day decline 6.1%. Suggests traders are locking in gains for its recent vertical accumulation phase. So people are holding, guys. They are buying and holding and waiting for this pump that is coming. Now, what this means, and liquidity exacerbates volatility and the lack of follow through buying after staking milestones. 4 billion tokens staked highlights fading short term speculative interest. However, long term holders remain engaged with 15% APY staking rewards, incentivizing retention. Regulatory progress versus market sentiment, bullish long term. Overall, Zebec's focus on compliance SOC 2 audit by August end, which is a couple days now, MiCA alignment and partnerships. World Mobile's Zebec Net eSIM launched in fall 2025 reinforces institutional credibility but lack immediate price catalysts. What this means, while these developments strengthen Zebec's position in real world payments, the market is pricing in execution risk and delays ROI. The neutral fear and greed index at 47 and low altcoin season score 44 reflects broader risk averse, favoring Bitcoin over alts like a ZBCN. In the conclusion, Zebec's dip stems from technical headwinds and profit taking, overshadowing its structural growth narrative. He watched Kenzie Bick hold the 0045 support and will its August 26th Zebec Net announcement with World Mobile reunite bullish momentum. So we've got to wait and see. Let me check. So this is the Zebec all-time high rally head, bullish chart signaling a breakout. Zebec has staged a powerful bounce from key support levels, fueling speculation of a rally towards its previous all-time high. With values influxing, rising, and bullish momentum intact, the stage is set for a potentially explosive combination. And I can't wait for this to happen. I can't wait for it, price to explode and everybody be, oh man, I should have held mine. Oh man, I sold too soon. Oh man, people are getting rich on Zebec. Why did I sell? So we'll just have to wait and see. But I do think at some point, right, it's got to push back up to the all-time high, guys. It can't continue to hold or dip. There's too much going on. There's too many announcements. There's too many partnerships. It's only a matter of time. Actually, it's just waiting for that listing, right? That epic listing that sends things through the roof. And I think after these announcements this week, and once they get compliant, I think that's when the listings will start, right? Once they get the SOX 2 audit completed in the MECI or MICA compliant, and then the FCA compliance. Once they get these certifications, things are really going to start to move. The Zebec Network's recent price action highlights strong demand at major confluence zones, reinforcing bullish momentum across higher timeframes. After tapping into critical support, the asset has established a foundation that suggests further upside may follow. The structure integrity of the market remains intact, with higher highs and higher lows continuing to dominate the chart. Zebec's network has bounced strongly from high time frame confluence support, reinforcing its bullet structure. A reclaim of the value area high could trigger an explosive rally. Rising bullish volume and flux support continual towards the previous swing high. The high time frame support bounce for strong confluence support formed by the 0618 fib point of control with value area low. Value area high resistant, next major level to reclaim before a potential explosive rally towards the swing high. Bullish market structure, consecutive higher highs and higher lows on the daily frame indicates sustained demand. Zebec Network has respected its critical confluence support to the dollar, creating a strong fundamental for bullish continuation. This region composed of the 618 fib. When are we ever going to get past the 618 fib, man? Retracement, the point of control. The value area low has held firm and triggered a high time frame bounce. Precision of this level being demanded confirms strong underlying demand, reinforcing the bullish outlook for continuation. Next critical level to watch is a value area high. A reclaim this region would likely catalyst a full-blown reversal and spark an accelerated move towards a swing high. Historic price action for Zebec Network has shown the tendency to follow such breakouts with sharp, impulsive moves, suggesting the possibility of a repeat scenario. So, what to expect? As long as Zebec Network continues to defend the high time frame support, the bullish case remains intact. The decisive reclaim of the value high area could trigger a powerful rally towards a previous swing high, opening the door to fresh all-time highs. What to do? What is up? Oh my God, you guys with these names. Never, I don't know. I can't. I'm not even. I'm just call you Ian, bro. I don't even know what this says, or can he understand that one, bro? Not to let that slide. Let me see. The current rally rate rise. Zebec Network has experienced a remarkable cost increase over the current months, driven by a mix of market sentiment and technical innovations and critical collaborations. This surge accumulated within an all-time high, showcasing the growing interest in the job. Market dynamics, the wider crypto market has experienced a favorable fade. With numerous coins rallying, Zebec has actually benefited from this market brief reeling in both retail and institutional investors. Boosted adoption as even more services and entitled begin to adopt Zebec's modern technology for constant settlements. The demand for its indigenous token has risen. Significant collaboration has also played a role, additionally establishing its reliability out there. Future expectations. While the current rally is definitely impressive, possible investors ought to be cautious. Market improvements are a natural part of any kind of favorable fad. And it's vital to keep an eye on exterior variables such as regulatory modifications and market sentiment. Nonetheless, the mix of solid fundamentals, increasing fosters, and bullish chart signals sustains this disagreement for continued development. If Zebec Network can preserve its energy and effectively increase use situations, it may well set new all-time highs in the near future. Conclusion, The Zebec Network current high rally underscores the jobs perspective within the cryptocurrency space. With durable technical features and growing market rates of interest, bullish graph signals suggest a promising expectation similar to any investment comprehension, research, study, and danger assessment are important for now. Zebec Network attracts attention as principles to watch in the advancing landscape of the blockchain. So, on that note, I guess we will get ready for the AMA tomorrow. Make sure you join and sign up to the BTM Crypto News Network and be ready for the AMA tomorrow. Just go here and set the reminder for 9 a.m. Hopefully, there will be some positive information from the AMA and possibly get us a price pump. So let me know what you guys think about that as well. And as always, it's your main man, BTM, signing out. So let's remember to get back to the money and stay dangerous. It's your main man, BTM, signing out. Thank you, Silver Days, for all your support. Thanks everyone who comes to these lives and get bored out of your mind or get the information you're looking for. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, let's get back to the money. It's your main man, BTM, signing out. Peace in hair grease, and see you soon. Same bat channel, same bat time.